Okay, we attached the stand-up handle with the 5/16 Allen wrench. Now we have our handle on. We have a couple more steps before we can get started. You did have a long stainless steel tail that comes with the stand-up handle. I have a hole right here in the back next to the fast connector on the MANTARAY itself. This tail actually screws into this hole. Now this tail has two keys here as well in this tail shaft. So you can take your 1/2" wrench and tighten it like so. Now we have a 1/2" nut and a spring. The spring actually fits on the tail and the 1/2" nut screws on the top of the tail to hold the spring in place like so. And that nut also is a 1/2", so you're able to tighten the tail. Once you're there, you get the hose with your fast connector and just put that in. And there you go. So this is your MANTARAY stand-up handle for indoor use with water control. Now the port here is for your vacuum hose. We're going to open up the vacuum, check out a really cool vacuum pump-out system by IPC Eagle. It's a 290 AD. It's an industrial 2-motor vacuum and it's awesome. So stay tuned.